Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to recover deleted recent call history on iPhone using a simple and effective method with iCloud backup. Now let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you can manage all your device's configurations, including backups. Next, tap on your name at the top of the screen. This takes you to your Apple ID settings. Now, tap on iCloud. Here, you'll find all the cloud-based services linked to your account. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. This is where your backup settings are stored. Tap Backup now and then select your iPhone to check the date of the last backup. Make sure the backup was created before you deleted the call history. If the date looks good, go back to the main settings menu. Now we'll reset your iPhone to restore the backup. Tap on General, scroll all the way down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Erase all content and settings. This will completely reset your device. Confirm the reset, but only proceed if you're sure the correct backup exists. This step is irreversible. Once your iPhone restarts, follow the usual setup instructions. It'll feel just like setting up a new device. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, tap on Restore from iCloud Backup. This will let you recover your data from your chosen backup. Finally, select the backup that contains your deleted call history. Your call logs should now be restored on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful videos like this one.